I have two of our Money Max Pro clients here with us, Jean and Randy Hiltner. I think they've been on the program a little over a year on the pro side, but I'm going to let them unmute and tell you their Money Max journey. Randy, Jean?
Go ahead and say where we started from.
Where we started from, thought we were on top of the world, but back in 2008, the world crashed and it took just about everything except our life and kids out. Our home was foreclosed on, 3 rental properties were short sailed, and so on. Retirement was used to fix up to sell them properties, but you know how 2008 crashed. Well, that took all that out of the picture, and lo and behold, what I didn't expect to happen, my body broke down. I ended up on disability. So we crashed big time and lost everything. And at the same time, I really thought we were protected. 401 was over 100 grand, doing great until the 3 crashes would just about wipe that out. Life insurance, we had everything. The problem was we weren't protected in the right area. We didn't die, we survived, but we lost everything. The bonus of it is, in that same years, of course, we didn't hear about United Financial Freedom at that time, which I wish we would have, but we do now. And knowing now we are structured in the right way, protected in the right way, it is just a fresh air. The stress is gone and we're climbing and climbing out of that hole. But the future in retirement, I can see it building. And like getting a new car or anything, you feel great up first and all these things, but eventually it will break. Well, I know at the Money Max, and especially the Pro, it's taken care of. No loss, no 401 crash, all that stuff. It is so wonderful. I can't say enough about it. Just it's a breath of fresh air for me personally. Jean, she's got her side of it, which is great.
So for me, I love the fact that it's interactive. I love the fact that I have the Pro where I can use the same dollar twice. Our insurability, we didn't have the insurability, but we were able to use our son as insurability. So we are using it since November, and our debt right now is $42,848 paid off in 3.8 years. So I am super excited to have this navigational system that gives us direction and lets us make choices, but it still guides us along the way. Life without it would be insane.
And Randy and Jean, have you guys used the Pro long enough that you are using the same dollar twice? You've borrowed against it to help accelerate debt. Are you doing that yet?
Yes, yes. We had it in November of 24, and we've been doing loans since November of 25.
And when you take those loans, what happens to your account value?
The account value stays the same. It does not drop.
Yeah. So have you ever seen your account value go down, or does it just go up or sideways?
Up or sideways, never down. And our son has one as well. And he's like, I'm not going to run mine like yours. He's 25. I'm not taking loans out of mine. I'm using mine and I'm banking it as a bank and I'm not touching it. So you can do whatever you want.
Yeah, you've got the freedom, you've got the flexibility, you've got the guidance. And is Money Max difficult for you to follow, or is it just as simple as a GPS?
Oh, it is amazing. It is amazing. It's so user friendly and there's support. Support is there. Here we're in Central Time, so they're 9 to 6, Monday through Friday. We can pick up the phone and they're there all the time. And they're wonderful and knowledgeable. And if they don't know how to help you, they'll get someone else to help you. And that comes with the Money Max for the lifetime.
Well, thank you guys so much for sharing your story with us. I'm sure that it motivated other people because you know what? A lot of us were hit by 2008. A lot of us gave up our hope. And you just showed everybody that regardless of where you're starting, Money Max can make a happy ending.